RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat has said that the consecration ceremony of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya should be celebrated as the true independence of Pran Pratishtha Dwadashi, marking it as 1 year post Pran Pratishtha. It is in true sense independence for Bharat, where he has emphasized that this day signifies the establishment of independence after centuries of foreign invasions, where Mohan Bhagwat has now highlighted that although India gained political freedom from the British back in 1947, but the spirit of the country was not fully realized. He added that true independence of India, which had faced many centuries of persecution, was established on the day when Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishtha ceremony happened.
अनेक शतकों से परचक्र झेलने वाले भारत के सच्चे स्वतंत्रता की प्रतिष्ठा उस दिन हो गई। स्वतंत्रता थी, प्रतिष्ठित नहीं थी। अनेक शतकों से परचक्र झेलने वाले भारत के सच्चे स्वतंत्रता की प्रतिष्ठा उस दिन हो गई। स्वतंत्रता थी, प्रतिष्ठित नहीं थी।
Now, even when it comes to reactions that have been coming in, we'll get you the politics that has now erupted over the RSS chief's remark, as UBT Sena has also waded in, with party leader Sanjay Raut saying that Mohan Bhagwat's independent assertion is wrong. He has even asked Mohan Bhagwat to end politics over Ram.
देखिए, आरएसएस के सरसंघ चालक ये एक सम्मानीय व्यक्ति है जरूर, लेकिन वो संविधान के निर्माता नहीं है। ये देश के कानून नहीं बनाएंगे और न कानून वो बदलेंगे। रामलल्ला इस देश में हजारों लाखों साल से है और रामलल्ला के लिए पहले भी आंदोलन हमने किए हैं और करते रहेंगे। लेकिन आप रामलल्ला के नाम पर राजनीति मत करिए, तभी देश सच मायने में स्वतंत्र होगा।
Well, let's get in a word from Pradeep Datta, who's joining us live right now. Pradeep, now the true sense or the context, if he can put it across, what Mohan Bhagwat was actually meaning to say, that yes, there was freedom, political freedom from the British, there was a written constitution there, but that only signified a specific vision. But when it comes to self-awakening of a country in its true sense, the realization happened when Pran Pratishtha happened in Ayodhya of Ram Mandir.
Even though the politics has started over the statement given by RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, but let me explain what actually he was trying to convey. He was saying that we achieved political freedom in 1947 because that was the time when India was able to break shackles of slavery and got freedom from Britishers. But there was still that cultural freedom. What they achieved was after consecration of Ram Temple. It was after Pran Pratishtha, because even after so many years, that after independence and even having a constitution, that mind was completely shackled. The mindset was completely shackled. So the freedom of mindset was really very important, because India had faced a kind of a cultural invasion over the period of time. Let me explain. See, we have seen that we had a road named after Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb was the same person who was imposing jizya on Hindu. Aurangzeb was the same person who had been forcibly converting Hindus to Islam. But we had a road named for him. But we had no space for Ram Lalla. That is because we were busy just trying to appease one particular section. And that was because we were not able to come out of the colonial mindset. And colonial mindset was divide and rule. That's what actually the several political parties that came afterwards, they also had been following. So the liberalization in what we say, what RSS chief was trying to convey, that real independence, it came only after consecration of Ram Temple, because there was a repeated attempt to ensure that Sanskriti and Sabhyata of Hindus is buried and that past is not allowed to come up, and that's what actually happened after the coming up of the Ram Temple. The people really realized.
So in, when it comes to the consecration, in its true sense, was that when it comes to India getting independence? Mr. Rashid Alvi of the Congress Party is with us. What are your thoughts on the statement, sir, that has been made by Mr. Mohan Bhagwat?
As I remember, Kangana Rawat has also given such a statement that we got independence in 2014 when BJP came to power. Now RSS Mukhya has given this statement that the true independence was when this mandir was constructed. Then what was 1947? What is 26th of January? If this is the true independence, then I am sorry to say that he is insulting Mahatma Gandhi. He is insulting all freedom fighters. He is insulting Raja Gopalacharya. He is insulting Bhagat Singh. If independence would have not got achieved in 1947, whether it was possible to construct this mandir? Not at all. We have constructed this temple only when we have got independence. So I do not agree at all with this statement, and it is very unfortunate. You can say that it is very important occasion, no doubt in it. But how can you say that this is a true independence?
He says the 1947 one was a political one when we got freedom from the British, but when it comes to awakening a nation with its vision, that starts when it comes to of Bharat, that it could stand on its own feet and show the path to the world. That happened on the consecration day.
Only if you have succeeded to build a mandir, then you will say it is true independence. Then Atalji was Prime Minister of which country? That time it was not true independence. When Advani ji was earlier broadcasting minister and then home minister, he was not the minister of independent India. What is this? I am sorry to say, Kangana Rawat, if she has given this statement, it is all right. She doesn't know anything about politics. She is an actress. But if Mukhya of Chief of RSS, he has given this statement, it is very unfortunate.
All right, you're calling the statement as unfortunate. Thank you very much, Mr. Rashid Alvi of the Congress Party, calling the statement of the RSS chief as unfortunate. However, Pradeep, when it comes to putting in context what has been said by Mohan Bhagwat, saying that he used to tell that to people, especially when it comes to raising questions of those who had in the past saying what is the sense of building a mandir. He says India's livelihood path actually goes through the very entrance of the Ram Mandir, and that they should keep it in mind. Let's talk about the politics here, because massive politics that has already taken place over Mohan Bhagwat's remark, where after UBD Sena, the Samajwadi Party seems to be also criticizing and raising an objection, saying that the RSS is trying to divert attention. Ayodhya solely doesn't represent India.
क्या परिवर्तन हो गया? आजादी में क्या परिवर्तन हो गया? और इस तरह के बयान देखे मुझे लगता है आरएसएस इस देश के मूल मुद्दों से भटकाने का काम कर रही है। खैर, बीजेपी आरएसएस का एजेंडा है राम, और राम को बेचने का काम करती है, इसलिए वो इस तरह की बात कहेंगे, कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। खैर, मोहन भागवत जी का ज्ञान बड़ा अल्प है, इसलिए इस तरह के बयान वो अक्सर दिया करते। अब तो साधु महात्मा भी उनकी बातों पे बहुत ज्यादा गौर नहीं फरमाते, उल्टा प्रतिकार करते हैं।
Well, big statement there by the RSS chief, and multiple reactions coming in from the opposition as well. Pradeep, thank you very much for joining in. Moving on now, let's talk about the Union